Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start the one of the very much important topic in the software development life cycle is design pattern. What is design pattern? Design pattern is a general solution of any problem. Like we can say it is a template or blueprint, okay, of any problem. Suppose design pattern means suppose there is a problem repeatedly occurred, similar type of problem, so we created some rules and definitions to solve this problem. That is called design pattern, right? In the later section we'll see how many type of design pattern. Okay, the first, this is the only the design pattern is the predefined solutions or blueprint to solve the any issues. Okay, let's see what is the history of the design pattern. Okay, the concept of design pattern originated in computer science in 1977. Christopher Alexander, he generated an idea, and he created a book, something. Okay, like the pattern language. Suppose there is the towns, I want to towns, so what will the design, we in the town we have the building, but in the building we have the, what is the height, what is the windows height, all of the things he written in a book in 1977, a pattern language town building and construction. After this, during 80s, software developers realized that many software problems were recurring, and instead of reinventing solution every time, they document proven approach day by day. Finally, in 1994, there are few authors, the name given below, like Rich Gamma, Richard Helm, Rolf Josson, and John Westdike. They created, they are also known as Gang of Four, GOF. This is the very biggest milestone. Okay, so they created, introduced the 23 design pattern, that is also known as Gang of Four. Okay, and they publish a book for this design pattern. In this design pattern, we have the three types. They divided into three things. What is, first of all, we know what is the elements in design pattern. In the design pattern, mainly four essential elements. What is pattern name? Means name of the design pattern. What is the identification of design pattern? What is the problem? Why should we need the design pattern? Then what is the solution? And then what is the consequences? Okay, these four elements of the design pattern. Let's see. The Gang of Four define the 23 design pattern into three main categories. First is creational, second is structural, and third is behavior. Okay. What is creational? Creational design patterns deal with the object creation mechanism. Okay, so they provide the flexible ways to how to create the objects during the logic from the client end or anywhere, instead of directly creating the object by new object. They provide the some patterns for object creation. All the patterns belongs to this category, is the creational patterns. For example, singleton, factory, abstract factory, builder, and prototype. Now, next pattern is structural pattern. Structural design patterns describe how classes and objects combine to form the larger structure. This pattern mostly focus on the relationship between class and object. How to organize the class, how to improve the flexibility, how to reduce the complexity. All these things are involved in this type of design pattern. Mostly it will be the adapter, bridge, composite, decorator, facet, flyweight, and proxy. I will go deep one by one all these design pattern in the upcoming videos. Next is the behavioral design pattern. Behavioral design pattern mostly focus on communication and interaction between the objects. Mostly they define how objects collaborate to each other and share the responsibility. Like this, suppose I create an object in one class and there is the other class, how they are communicating, how can we reduce the tight coupling, right? We can increase more flexibility. There are few examples you can see here in the design pattern: command interpreter, iterator, mediator, memento, observer, stat, strategy, and template method. Okay. In the today video, I just provide you the overview how the design, what is the design pattern, how what is the history of design pattern. Okay, how many categories are the design pattern, what is the meaning of all three categories. In the next video I will go in deep one by one all design pattern, and I will go through the visual studio by describing, by the coding practice, everything. That's all for this video. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. And if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.